Claude Code built me a perfect website from a Figma on a live stream. 24% credit usage, native Gutenberg blocks, block bindings API. Then I tried to reproduce it the next day and fell apart 3 times. Same files, same setup, but worse output. A WordPress update landed overnight, WordPress 7.0, and that might be the whole story. This is the lab where we test WordPress tools to see if they are agency grade or just time consuming. Today's find, the most impressive AI build I've ever seen, wasn't reproducible. And let me show you what changed and what that means if you're betting your agency on it. Because during a live stream, it was very easy to reproduce the Figma file. It even created the cards, the hero section, and the custom post types for all of the sections. It used the block bindings API to fetch the post metadata. I tried to reproduce it today for a tutorial, and this is what I found. I did the exact same steps, and after 41 minutes, this was the result, and it was using the HTML. The columns couldn't be full width. There were issues with the design all over. So I tried to start it all over again, and the same thing happened. The CSS wasn't in the right place, the design wasn't inside of the Gutenberg blocks, and it didn't look even closely to what we had during the live stream. And even the third time I tried to do that, it failed miserably. It created the meta fields, but then the design didn't look anything that we want it to look like. And that got me very frustrated. So the question is, did the update break the change? Was it something in the prompting that I did differently? I want to check if there's something else going on. What changed in Gutenberg, what changed in the skills, and what changed in WordPress 7 as a whole. So AI isn't as reliable as I hoped it would be because it's not fully reproducible at this moment. And that's what it is with AI, right? You never know how it works and if it works well. And if you want to see my test during the live stream, you can find it right here. And in the meantime, I'm going to keep testing this, locking versions, seeing if it rollbacks, that works then, and finding out what actually makes the difference. And subscribe if you want to see the follow-up. As always, thank you for watching. Keep designing.